Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you use Paysafe on Coinbase? Now, before we dive into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about why this question is even relevant. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and Paysafe is a well-known prepaid payment method. So, it's natural to wonder if these two platforms can be used together. The answer is, drumroll, please, yes. You can use Paysafe to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, Paysafe is not available in all countries. So, if you're not located in a country where Paysafe is supported, you won't be able to use it on Coinbase. Second, Paysafe deposits are not instant. It can take up to 24 hours for your funds to appear in your Coinbase account. Third, there are fees associated with using Paysafe. The exact fees will vary depending on your location and the type of Paysafe card you use. So, now that we know the answer to the question, let's talk about how to use Paysafe on Coinbase. Here are the steps. Go to the Coinbase website and create an account. Click on the Buy Sell tab and select Deposit. Choose Paysafe as your payment method. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Once your transaction is complete, your funds will be transferred to your Coinbase account. You can then use them to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In addition to depositing funds, you can also use Paysafe to withdraw funds from your Coinbase account. However, this is not always possible, and the fees associated with withdrawals can be high. So, there you have it. Paysafe can be a convenient way to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations and fees associated with this method before you use it. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.